guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited. Pure sent over their new Pure Times Barbie collection, which is so exciting. I watch Barbie a million times a day because my girls love it. They've probably watched everyone on Netflix 100 times. So here is the box. But look how pretty it is. Are you guys ready? Can you guys handle this? Are you ready? Because I opened my door and I was like, oh, I didn't even know it was coming, so I was super excited. Okay. So you open it up and it's a mirror. This part comes down and it says never lose your sparkle. So sweet. It has the drawers that come out down here. In the collection is the Flawless brush. Super cute. It has the little Barbie head on it, which looks super soft. I feel like it's too pretty to use. Like, look at this, so pretty. And then we have the Barbie glittery pink skin brightening mask, which I'm excited to use. I'm probably gonna use it tonight. Then we have the highlighter, which matches the palette. The front of it is so gorgeous. It looks like little mermaid shells, and then it has like little beading and stuff like that, and it's so cute. So here's the front of it. Then you open it up and here is the highlight. So there's 3 shades. There's like an opaly color, a little bit of a rose gold, and more of a tan color. I swiped them on my hand. That way you guys could see them a little bit better. They're nice and highly pigmented. Really, really pretty. I love that this opaly one has like a pinky undertone. Very girly and feminine. And I feel like they're so pigmented. They look good on all skin shades. They'll probably pop out for you. Next up we have a little gloss. Ooh, it's a nice thick lip gloss too. And it looks like it's like a clear, but it has a little bit of a pinky color to it. It's clear, but just with a little shine to it. Very pretty. Then in this drawer, we have all of the lip glosses. So the packaging's really, really pretty. It's nice and sparkly. It's not super heavy. You can tell that it's not made of glass, which I love, so it's not gonna break. Oh, and there's some glitter to it. Oh my gosh, stop, I can't take this. So here's the one lipstick. It's nice and sparkly. I don't even want to swatch it because it's so pretty. So this is definitely a classic mauve type of color, but it has just a little hint of glitter to it. So here's the mauve called Classic. Next up we have Inspire, which is right here. Ooh, that's like a pretty wine color. Then this color is called Timeless, which is really, really pretty pink too. Then we have this color, Pink, and this is Legendary, which is just the ultimate Barbie hot pink color. So pretty. The lipsticks say that they are semi-matte, so they're super wearable, and I love that in this it looks like there's tons of glitter, but once you kind of swipe it, the glitter goes away, so it's not too over-the-top glittery. It's just, I think, for more decoration in the packaging than it is to be on your lips. We have the lashes, which are so pretty. They're super pretty and fluffy, and you can wear them 30 times, and that's just not a saying. Like, they're not just saying that to sound awesome and make you want to buy them. I have other Pure lashes, and as long as you take care of them and you just treat them nicely, they really can last you way longer than 30 rounds. I just use them with a sensitive baby wash, let them dry, and make sure I don't use a ton of glue, and you will be set. Then, last but not least, dun dun dun, the palette. I feel like a child, so when this came in the mail and I was like, oh my gosh, I had to call the girls up. They were on the playroom. I'm like, get down here, you have to see this, this is amazing. They thought I was the coolest mom ever. Cool mom points. I felt so excited. Here is the eyeshadow palette. Again, it matches the highlighter palette. Nice and textured, beautiful. I feel like this is just gonna sit on my desk forever because it's so pretty to look at. It gives me happy beach vibes. So opening it up, I love that there's a nice mirror. It is very heavy and durable. I probably wouldn't pack this because I'd be too scared to ruin the top because it's so cute. And it gives me those mermaid vibes, and I'm all about that life. And here it is. And here it is. There are 12 shadows in here. You have some pressed glitter, and then you have some mattes, and then you have some glitters as well. I'm gonna swatch the pressed glitter just because speaking to me. Barely touched my arm, and look how much came off. So pretty, and there's no fallout. Then I'm gonna do 2 of the shimmery shades. Very pretty, nice and pigmented. Here is 2 more shimmer shades. So pretty. You can definitely tell their formula has changed because they're so soft and silky. Their new formula is made up of vitamin B and green tea, and it's supposed to help the skin's natural metabolism and rejuvenate the look of the skin. I can just feel the difference, honestly, swatching them. I feel like you don't need to really dig down to get the payoff, which is awesome. So pretty, it's so glittery. I don't know, I'm just into it. And I feel like it has soft pinks, but then it has like fun party colors as well. And then it has like some neutrals, so if you want to just do something normal and everyday, you can. But if you want to pop a little color on once you get done work and have drinks with the girls, it's got that excitement in there for you too. So I love this collection. Are you guys going to get some from it? Let me know if you do. Let me know what you think. And I'm excited to play with this guy. So I will see you soon. I'm going to go do some fun looks with this and play around. I got back to school night. I don't know what I'm going to go there looking like, but I don't even care because I'm going to rock it. I love you guys, and I'll see you soon.